What's up, guys? Shade from the Shade From Side channel. No, I did not find this in the dumpster. This is kind of a Christmas present for me and the wife. We've wanted one for several years. And I got a brand new tripod. So this is the Sound and Art Turn Back Time. So, it's alright. Been filming the greatest last couple of days. 6-in-1 Entertainment Center. Turntable. AM/FM radio, CD, cassette, wireless, and anywhere you plug in stuff. So, box is pretty cool. So let's get over to it. Now I've already been testing out the record player because, well, not just what's in there, it's in what's in there, and in my bedroom I got playing records. So overall, the sound quality is not bad. Look is not too bad either. No, that's right, I ain't got a light on here. I forgot about that. Figure after all these videos, I I'll forget a light. Now, that's pretty simple. You got CD. Let's go ahead and put this on. Loading. Let's see, open. Now, the only problem I had last night, the first time I tried to open this, it didn't want to open. I don't have a CD player, CD in right now. You have to do Wi-Fi. And as you can tell, I'm listening to a little bit of Elvis.
My dream came true. Well, I can't stop loving you.
Music station, we've got a great place to make holiday memories.
See, this younger generation don't have to mess with this really. I feel like I'm growing up again. I'll get it set in right. This alternative. Bluetooth does work. I don't have my phone on me right now. I'll show you the Bluetooth. And then tape deck, which is on this side right here, I have not tried out yet. So, all in all, not too bad. But we really bought it for that. So, let that push back. It's a beautiful case. And the sound is good. You can't adjust the sound any. You can't adjust the bass run, but it's like it used to be. Pretty good and loud. So, all in all, I'll maybe do a month now, but it was actually $80, but we got it for, I think it was like $45. So I cannot complain too much. Like I said, we really bought it for the record player. So all in all, that is a really good deal. So I'm playing with a new tripod here. So I will be showing you this in another video. But not too bad. I mean, there was nothing on the box. No actual physical damage on the box at all, which was good overall. Not in the mood for oldies. You connect to your smartphone device and everything else. So it's pretty good. I mean, I can plug. Looks like I'm going to end up plugging it into the stereo. So what you got to do, stereo coming soon. So let me take this thing off here. So I do have some video. I do have to apologize for this. I'm trying to take this off a tripod here. That's a long screw. So this is my new tripod. It only cost me, I think it was like $13 a day. Come on, Bozo. Voltex. And it looks like I'm gonna do that, do that, and undo that, and we should. Whoa, whoa! It's a little tough to clip those in, but not too bad. And it actually has a level on top, which I like. I didn't even see that feature before, so. But it's a lot more stable than my old one. I had the old one in here. But all in all, not too bad. I hadn't fully set it up yet. But my brother actually found their video camera. So you get your tilt this way. Push this up and tighten this up. So we got 2 in 1 today. And screw for that. It's up right here. Loosen it to turn it. So, all in all, I cannot complain. This is actually pretty good. I wouldn't look for something expensive right now. But I think it's worked perfectly because my brother-in-law and sisters. Well, that's plastic. Folds up pretty nicely. So I think this is going to work just fine for what I do. And I do have another video coming up. I'm going to try to make it today, but I got to make some phone calls to call some junkyard. My brother got a new truck recently and has no spare tire. So I got to call a few junkyards up and get that taken care of. So this is the Shade You Know Cyrus, and just a little bit of review on the Sound Art Sonify. All easy for y'all to say. Patreon, link in the description below. Thank y'all.